First, we chop the vegetables. Then, we put them in the pot and stir. Add some spice for flavor. Now the food is finished. Look at the robot crawl. It is crawling on the floor. The robot is cycling. He is happy. He cycles on the path. This says laugh. The robot is laughing. He is very happy. The robot is screaming loudly. Scream! This is snowboarding. The robot is snowboarding very fast. It jumps in the air. I am studying. Look, this is fun. Turn the page. Study hard. Look, the robot can swim. It swims in the water. Swim, swim, swim. To whisper means to speak very softly, using only your breath. Listen closely. The window is dirty. The robot scrubs the window. Now the window is clean. Climb. The robot climbs the mountain. It goes up. The robot is going to close the door. Close. The door is closed now. Count the blocks with me. 1, 2, 3. The robot is sad. It is crying. Crying. The robot will cut the paper. Cut. Now we cut the paper. I can dance. I shuffle side to side. Now I spin around. Dancing is fun. Draw. The robot can draw. It draws a colorful picture. The robot is drinking the juice. Drink! Drink! Look at the robot. The robot can drive the car. The robot is eating an apple. He takes a bite. He likes to eat. The robot can fly. Fly, fly, fly. It is fun to fly in the sky. Look, the robot can fly high in the blue sky. I have a square paper. Now I fold the paper. Fold it in half. Now it is a triangle. The robot hears the bird singing. Hear! He can hear the lovely song. He strains to lift the colorful weight. He lifts it up. Lift. Listen. The robot is listening to music. Listen to the sound. The robot opens the box. Open. So colorful. The robot is playing. It picks up the blue block and stacks it up high. Then it adds a yellow ring. Hooray! Great job! The robot pulls the wagon. Pull! The robot is happy to pull the wagon. The robot starts to push the big red block. It is pushing the block across the floor. The robot is reading a book. Read. R-E-A-D. The robot likes to read. The robot is learning to row. Row, row, row the boat across the lake. The robot is running. He runs across the grass. Run! Look through the binoculars. What do you see? I see a bird. See? The robot is shaking its body. Shake, shake, shake. Shout! S-H-O-U-T. The robot is shouting very loudly. The robot is singing. Can you say sing? Yes, I love to sing. The little robot is sleeping. Shh. It is dreaming of a star. The little robot smells the colorful flower. It likes the smell. The blue robot likes to speak. Can you say speak? Speak! The robot is surfing. S-U-R-F, surf. The robot loves to surf on the big blue wave. The little robot is taking a relaxing bath. Look at all the bubbles. He is scrubbing his arm clean. The robot takes a bite of the colorful cake. It tastes so good. The robot is happy. Hello, everyone. Today we learn the word teach. T-E-A-C-H. Teach. Good job. The robot is ready to throw the ball. Throw. He throws the ball. It bounces high. The robot reaches out and touches the colorful ball. Touch. Look, the robot walks. W-A-L-K. Walk. The little blue robot sits on the sofa. He is watching TV. See the words? Watch TV. I am a robot. I like to write. See the word? Write.